To reduce costs, a lot of companies have outsourced their labor to manpower consulting companies. They kind of either fully or partially outsource the entire labor workforce, and this, yes, will reduce some of the cost, because obviously the employees or the part of employees will be from another company, and that company will have lesser overheads and the salary structure will be different. So this company can reduce, the parent company can show a reduction in terms of manpower cost, and it also reduces a little bit of statutory requirements and all that. So overall there seems to be a good improvement in terms of costs. But there are a lot of areas where this outsourced labor becomes a big challenge. So in this particular video, I'm going to explain 5 areas where we face a lot of challenges in terms of managing this outsourced labor. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and in this video I'm going to share 5 areas where generally companies face a lot of challenges in managing this outsourced labor. The first one is a lot of attrition, right? Whenever we give an outsourced labor contract, the contractor will send a set of people, and there will be a lot of attrition in that particular group, because obviously the outsourced contractor is going to get people from different parts of India, and there are a lot of challenges, and if there's a lot of attrition there, he will try to substitute with some other person, right? So every week, I have seen companies where every week, every day there will be new set of people who are coming in. The contractor's main idea is to match the number of people required. That's it. Okay, he'll say, okay, you asked for 50 people, I have given 50 people. That's it, right? So that's why many companies, the contract people are used in unskilled labor, for example helper level, right? Packing, material movement, etc. But nowadays a lot of contract labor are also used for running machines. So in that case, this attrition will become a big issue, right? And it is very difficult for the companies to manage these people, and there will be a lot of safety issues, quality issues, because of lack of training. That's what I am going to cover in the next point. The second point is lack of training. These new people who are coming in, there is a constant churn of people, right? So new people will come in, right? Some people will leave, and another week, next week, another set of new people will come. So there is always a churn of people, movement of people here. And what happens is there will be a big gap in terms of training, right? So it will be very difficult for the HR team or for the quality team, production team to train these people who are always new. There will be always a set of new people, right? How will you consistently train new people? If it is a large company, it's okay. But in many medium size or small scale companies in India, there is not a lot of standard processes, SOPs and work instructions are not there in terms of hard copies, right? People don't use them that much in a typical medium size or small scale company. So they don't have the processes and systems to train the new people. So in that case, it becomes even more difficult to train these new people, right? This becomes a big issue, right? So there is a lot of error. So there will be a lot of errors in terms of production, quality, parts mix up, right? Wrong assembly, right? All those things will start creeping in, and overall the quality will go for a toss. And that's the third point which I want to cover, that is the poor quality. Because of this constant attrition and lack of training, the quality suffers, right? There will be an increase in customer quality issues, customer complaints, and every time it happens, right, our name gets spoiled, and we have to put more people to do the rework. Sometimes I have seen people going to the customer's end to do the segregation and then come back, right? A lot of these kind of challenges will start increasing, and overall there will be a drop in terms of quality. So this is the third impact. And fourth one is, when all these things starts to happen, right, attrition is there, so lack of training, and then quality problem, there will be a kind of a firefighting which starts building up. So the company's culture will go for a toss, and planning will not happen properly, and there will be a lot of day-to-day pressure, the firefighting which happens, and because of that people get frustrated, and they will not focus on the improvement activities. So yes, because there is a lot of challenges every day, right? So these improvement activities will get stalled, and nobody focuses on improvement activities. And overall, if the company's employees doesn't focus on improvement, how can we move forward, right? Where is the vision and vision, right? So this is where the companies get into trouble, right? So when people don't focus on the improvement activities, because they are held up on the daily firefighting, day-to-day routine activities, improvement activities will not happen, and the same problems repeat again and again, and overall there will be a clear frustration or demoralization, or a poor culture which sets inside the company, and that creates a lot of issues. And this fifth point which I want to talk about is the culture, right? Whenever this happens, the culture goes for a toss, and there is a sense of belongingness, right? In a good company where there is a very good culture, there is always a sense of belongingness, right? I belong to this company, I am also a part of this company, like that. But when day-to-day activities, when the labor becomes outsourced, that sense of belongingness will be missing, and this is a big issue. And these are the common challenges which companies face when they do outsource labor contracting. See, I'm not against outsourcing the labor, but I am only pointing out some of the challenges which companies face when they do labor outsourcing. If you face some of these challenges in your company, you can share them in the comments. Or if you're looking at giving outsourced labor, if you are looking at labor outsourcing, you can consider these points also, right? So that you can take a better decision. So thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in learning lean, there are a few of our courses which are available, which are used by many companies to train their employees. We have a lean master course, which is an in-depth course on lean manufacturing, and we also have a manufacturing leadership program, which is a 30-day program with 17 topics which are very essential for all the manufacturing engineers. So we have more than 200 companies who have signed up for this courses, and they are giving these courses for their employees. We can also consider joining that. We are also sending a newsletter to more than 3,500 people with tips and practical insights on lean and operations management. You can also join that newsletter. I am giving the link of the newsletter also in the description. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye.